Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again, bringing another Star Saver content. In this video, we're just gonna see what's going on with the events. I'm a bit late on the party with this one because like I have lots of IRL stuff. I'm currently on vacation. My son is sick at the moment. I'm sorting out stuff. My son is always getting sick, unfortunately, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So again, if you want to go to the event, there's event here. There's it's very easy. Okay, Dungeon Rangers, you just go in and then just do auto, and then you get rewards. That's it. Fairly easy. You get your missions here. So once you get your missions here, so I'll just gonna clear this. So once you get your missions here, you just exchange that with items. Okay, you just exchange that with items once you get your weapons here. Again, loading time. There's lots of loading time here. I'm not really a fan of this, so I hope they change this. I'm not quite sure how do they change this. Are they gonna make it quicker? The transition moving forward is not that great. So if I claim this, I already have like exchange, and then I go to shop. It's just like in Nikkei. So I'll be exchanging how many? Is there a yeah? We'll just finish up on all of this. So let's just max this one out. Just max this one out. Just participate every day. Okay, okay. This one is important for your leveling up with your Noah support account. Okay, that's it. And then just auto it. It's fairly easy. So event flashpoint has a new flashpoint here. So but like for me, I'm not gonna be spending my time here. I'm currently you have I'm currently focusing this one. There's the arcana of our character currently right now. Okay, so there's gonna be Eliza's Arcana. Okay, but like we're not gonna go Eliza or Elisa. I'm not gonna go there with regards to the pronunciation. I'm still focusing on the Void Ascendant because this is very very important. A Knight's Oath is very important for you. And then if you don't have the Ashara card, this is very very important also for your Ashara or your support or every other card because you can put this one on any card or any character because it's like a universal application. Okay, so those are the things. And currently right now we have a banner. Let's go to the observation here. Will you pull for her? Now is the time. Maybe you can contemplate on pulling on maybe S3 Rosaria. I feel I'm not quite sure if like I'll still go here. Maybe I might pull the trigger and do S3 on her because currently right now Eliza, she's a good character in PvP, but like she's not great in PvE. She's the only character that has a revive ability. Okay, if you want also in PvE, you want a reviver, but like you already have Ashara for the heals, you can't have two. Maybe if you want to have two. The good thing about in the game is there's no timer, there's no turn timer. So if you want a sustain, maybe you can put her with Ashara. So she can revive. So revives an ally. So she's the only one that's reviving. And if you have lots of copies of her, she will have more turns. Okay, yeah, she has more turns. Like for example here. So at like second copy, so HP futile attempt removes all agitation. Please go back on self. Okay. Please go back. Please go back. So the please go back. What's the please go back here? Where's the Divine Judgment restores HP, then increase attack gauge. Yeah, increase action gauge by 40 if the ally is not fallen, grant self. So, like this is kind of like, if you're playing Summoner Sword, just increase your attack gauge if you have a speed stat, or if you want to go Bruiser, it's all up to you. But like, if you have a speed stat like a Griffin who is like turn 1, like turn 1, cast this gauge. She's the fastest maybe. Action gauge 40. So she casts this, give your attack gauge, and then your team goes in much more smoother if you really want to do that. Okay, but like for me, like I'm not summoning for her. You can pull her in the regular banner. She's there in the regular banner. Her card as well. You can get it on grinding, so you don't really need to. So I think my suggestion is if you haven't like maybe S3 her, I'll be doing Rosaria S3. She will be coming back, by the way, guys. Like in a few months. She's like a true limited character, just like in Reverse 1999. She comes back later on. But this one is much more early compared to Reverse. Well, like takes them like maybe half a month, like 6 months for them to come back. So this one, like it might be the same, but like she will be coming back. But like if you really are antsy to get her to S3 or like copy 3, then go ahead and get her to copy 3. It's all up to you. I still have a ticket here which I'm gonna be saving. I already have my Ashara S3. Like my account is really good, but the problem is my Arcana is not that great. But again, if you want to pull for Elisa, you can go ahead. If you're into that PvP, go ahead if you want, or if you want to make her as your like sustain, it's all up to you. But like again, knowing the fact that she's in the banner, so I'm not quite sure if you're gonna be, if you would like to waste your premium stuff on her. See, I'm lucky enough to get Emily randomly. I'm lucky enough to get Charlotte and Ashara randomly. Lacey, Carmen, like everybody's like I get her. I haven't gotten Elisa yet, so I might be able to put Elisa here in. Again, it's diluted. It's diluted. If you go to observe again, loading time is like crazy. Okay, so I'm already playing in my laptop. So like here, she is also here, but the problem is it's very very diluted. Okay, it's very diluted. Where is she? Yeah, she's here. She's here, but it's 0.08. So you might get her here. You don't know. So we'll see. So that's it for me, guys. What do you think? Are you pulling for her? What do you think about the updates? I think it's like not that great of an update. It's just like a regular patch update. It's not that grand, but we'll see. The good thing is at least we have a leeway. You have the opportunity to summon for Rosaria before she ends and save resources moving forward. So that's it for me, guys. This is again 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.